My name is Claire Campbell. I'm approaching my 1-year mark as a nurse resident here at AdventHealth Redmond, and I'm a medical ICU nurse. Looking back to 1 year ago, I would have never believed you if you would have told me that I would be where I am right now. Fortunately, I was placed at AdventHealth Redmond for nursing school clinicals and knew from that moment that I wanted to work here. I started my career at AdventHealth Redmond in the emergency department, and I recently transferred to the intensive care unit. Through the residency program, I received so much guidance and support with making this decision. The residency program and AdventHealth Redmond have blessed me with numerous friends and coworkers that I look up to every day in and out of the hospital. I feel like my work environment is particularly special because I'm cared for not only as a nurse but also as a human. I know that I can count on each team member in the ICU to have my back and support me no matter the situation. I feel like our positive work environment directly impacts the care our patients receive. The care here is evident by the awards we have received, such as Top 5% Critical Care in the nation and #1 Critical Care Hospital in Georgia for the last 2 consecutive years. I am proud to be a part of this team and am thankful for the opportunities that the Nurse Residency Program has given me.